Hi, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be explaining how the terminals work on the Stateswing 1000 control board. So the first terminal I'm going to explain is the light terminal. The light terminal is for a low voltage LED light, 12 volts preferably for this board since it is a 12 volt control board. This terminal is going to pulse out voltage to the light, so that way when the gate is operating, the light is going to blink off and on about every half second. Next terminal here is motor 1. This is for your primary gate motor, usually the one mounted closest to the control box. This is motor 2 here. Motor 2 is for the secondary operator, the one that is mounted furthest away from the control box. This is the limit 1 terminal for your open and close limit switch. There is a common wire here to tie these two together. This is the limit 2 terminal here. The limit 2 terminal is for your secondary operator. So limit 1 and limit 2. Limit 1 goes with motor 1. Limit 2 goes with motor 2. Next terminal here is the photocell terminal. This terminal is most important on the control board because this is going to power your low voltage accessories, and it's also the safety terminal for any safety device. First you have here is photo. Usually your normally closed wire is going to go here from your safety device. This is the ground terminal, which is going to be the common for all of these connections here when it comes to powering a low voltage accessory. So this is your ground. This is V plus for a lower voltage accessory that doesn't quite require 12 volts, so this will put out about 10.5 for a low voltage accessory. This is the 12 volt terminal, which will put out exactly 12 volts for a 12 volt accessory. So this is how you power those accessories off of the control board for any hardwired safety device or controlled access control device. This is the push terminal here. This is a normally open circuit here, so that way you can wire in your hardwired keypads or entry devices. Push 1 is important to know about because this is going to be for a device that you want to open and close the gate with. This is your common connection here to complete your circuit. This here is called push 2. Push 2 is for exit devices only because the exit device is only going to allow you to open the gate when wired to this terminal. So that's what you want, so that way it doesn't affect the closed cycle. However, when you're utilizing the auto reclose function, this is where you want to wire your accessories to because you don't want them to interfere with the auto reclose timer, because every time you trigger this normally open circuit, it's just going to reset the timer when the gate is open. So it's important to know that when you're wiring any hardwired device, entry device or a keypad, anything of that nature, when you have auto reclose on and active, you want to go ahead and wire it to push 2 in common instead of push 1 in common. Lastly is the E-lock terminal. This is for a solenoid gate lock to be connected here. This is just going to simply put out 12 volts when the gate is closed and ready to open. So whenever you click your remote for your gate to open and your solenoid lock is hooked up, the lock will be triggered by 12 volts coming out of this terminal here. So you have your positive first, then your negative. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was informational and helpful. If you have any questions, please contact us directly.